Hello everyone, so welcome to continuation of our CSS projects. So today we're learning about commenting in CSS. So commenting is a way of telling your browser not to read or execute a particular line of code. Okay, so we use the forward slash and then the asterisk as you see here. So here I'm going to comment out this line of code. Okay, so this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this, or let me do just 2 lines of code. Okay, so when I comment them out, they wouldn't actually that's the CSS styling for that particular lesson. You saw what just happened. Got like it stopped working or it didn't get it wasn't executed. Okay. So let's do that for this particular, that's the font size. Okay. So when I go here and then I refresh it, you can see now the effects styling for that is also disabled. So let's try that for the font style. Okay, that's italic. So how to do forward slash and then I'll do that and then asterisk and then asterisk and then forward slash. Okay. If I should refresh it, now you see now the italic property applied is disabled. Okay, so thank you.